Yo, kejersi kejuk mentah. Oha kejuk mentah, ani wo ji jerkei, ani wo komai kopa. Jisnu kala jelei ka lo perendang kum nu bangan ong. Kentai bat kitchen rang lanang lu dendong cadong la bu tentang udrok la bu sejibat bor. Om dei banga cutok to pekakot kubor kentai kendai lat dia la kamet. Kadoru kabatat kuku kwain usekret. Kuku kun samla omat singa haban ong. Na margas nyolong abap hidia la kamet la kumba diwai dong bale pikir perkat. Hashwa bapirshim habala kukilat pipen kudia lajing im berkat ime ipa kat no kitreshitom dena markata to rila ka akor to rila ka burom pidia la kamet hana bapiduk ye ime ipa pishat ce e pinyo jing suk ni be udah karban pertah rusurok henre maki jar kipen big da udrok kidrok adikasi yu mender ki yada na marga met jongki man kasni ke yada wa wat ki kan thai kasi ki kham e yo umama upen be durkan di hadin ursa chongkha ce e la we kari la da kum ne long lo om tu mangi kari ka sater kong sarkar ruka ju akane ka jubenta youtube yu suka yu high level ka ajaka na margi high level kipen bam da kinar wat la kan long be an ka sarkar ka snap jar we want justice hasurok ngi ya perta yimda utit ngayo i haju benta kumbala dep ong da uwe unong mikmat haba marwe ngasong tijong ungi ya perkat ni pen bit men kasas nem hingop men kasas nem ngadang mut ba ukerkai ben ban ulai sisha hang ne ken ka posai jimam sam haju benta ajer si kajuk menta ban pecca khmat nyala ima to yang menta ko kun samla ngin pen kelaya ka jela kajer si kajuk menta ban pecca khmat nyala ima to yang menta ko kun samla ngin pen kelaya ka jela.
Many wanna be famous, many wanna be superstars, many wanna have some men fan to the extent of getting the get on OnlyFans. Hey Kun Kasi, where's your dignity? Just to be famous on social media, we show a nudity and selling your body just for money. Just like boat in the sea, floating without a guiding star, wandering in the dark, and women living life without any spark, no foundation with no roots, living our life with no purpose. And know we got the talent, we got the skills, but failing to fulfill, cause we never listens to our parents' talk. Falling to smoking, alcohol and drugs, I can tell from what I see. So we forget the secret culture of Kun Kasi. The secret culture, the secret tradition handed down by an elder has now begun to falter. Cause we Kun Kasi treats them like shit, practicing our culture is now becoming stupid. Cause never learn from what we see that make us wanna be. Today education is just a fashion, doesn't turn us to someone but a desire for qualification. It doesn't make us proud of a tradition. Let me tell you everyone that there has been a prediction that Kasi language and culture one day will be gone. I dream of modern time that Kasi language will shine. If we Kasi people keep our culture and tradition to practice in our mind, just like stars in the sky they shine bright. For your sake Kasi culture we gonna die, we gonna fight, radiating our practice and tradition in our face, making Kasi culture a better race.
Kajer si kajuk menta ban pecca khmat nyala ima to yang menta ko kun samla ngin pen kelaya ka jela. Kajer si kajuk menta ban pecca khmat nyala ima to yang menta ko kun samla ngin pen kelaya ka jela.